Hello everyone, 大家好，我是914位914。Today this video will be in English. I want to introduce the drone show of Taiwan Lantern Festival in Kaohsiung. As you know, every part of the show is related to the Taiwanese culture and talking about the stories in Taiwan. So I really hope that when foreign friends enjoy the show, they can also know the meaning behind it. But it's a pity that there are no English introduction in our website. So I hope that I can help a little bit and do the English introductions. I hope you like it! The Lantern Festival is the 15th day of the first month of the new lunar year. People enjoy lanterns, solve lantern riddle, eat sweet dumpling, and release sky lanterns. Celebrations are everywhere. One of the biggest national lantern festival activities is Taiwan Lantern Festival, held by Tourism Bureau. Tourism Bureau rotates the location of the main festival among Taiwan's various cities. This year is the 33rd Taiwan Lantern Festival. Taiwan Lantern Festival is back to Kaohsiung after 20 years. Every part of the drone show tells the stories and culture of Taiwan. The roar of the tiger deity kicks off the show and surprised the crowd with folk culture. Tiger deity is the deity with the image of a tiger. It's a very common folk religion in Taiwan. The drone team visited the temple and took the tiger deity to conduct 3D scanning. Moreover, if you take a closer look at the pattern, you can find the movement of open mouth and tongue. We wish the tiger deity will bring people good luck and blessing. The shape of Taiwan looks like a sweet potato. Taiwan is also romantically compared to a huge whale. It represents the vitality of Taiwanese. The jump of the whale shows the beautiful Taiwan to the world. This is how Taiwan looks. From different angle, you can see that they show very detail of mountains. It's like, wow, the topographical map jumps out from my geography book and starts to rotate right in front of me. The change of the colors is so beautiful. The whole Taiwan is shining. An airplane and red course represent Taiwan try hard to help other countries during pandemic. Taiwan is willing to help, and Taiwan can really help. Also, we get support and assistance from Japan, Lithuania, Slovak, Poland, America, and Czech Republic. You can see that the heart is really pumping. It shows warmness and love through these heart-shaped national flags. As part of global citizen, Taiwan transferred positive energy and care. Besides assist actively, Taiwan is grateful for all the help. Thank you so much. Taiwan is famous for chips and wafers. They create the miracle in semiconductor and IT industry around the world. Taiwan holds the highest market share of wafers in the world. We show the world the power from Taiwan. Look at the changing of the color. I love it so much. From chips to wafers, then the globe. You can look through the globe and it's rotating. Super cool. This series of patterns represents that Taiwan's technology supports the world. Dai Ziying, the hero of Taiwan. I would say she is one of the greatest female badminton players in the world. The drum team designed the after-image to show her powerful swing. She ranks number 1 in the women's singles for more than 200 weeks. She keeps creating the new world record. People are crazy for her spirit of never giving up and always fight until the end. Dai Ziying is from Kaohsiung, for sure the best endorsement of Kaohsiung without doubt. Kaohsiung coupon shows that Kaohsiung works hard to create prosperity and head to a better city. This is Yellow Tiger Flag. I think this is a picture that all Taiwanese are familiar with. It's in everyone's history book. It represents the democracy of Taiwan. I guess they want to connect past to present. This makes us appreciate what we have right now. Happy New Year! This is the meaning of those 4 Chinese characters. Take a closer look at the tiger. It's waving hand and winking. It takes 1,500 drones to make this visual feast. The most impressive part for me is that every pattern is 3-dimensional. The movement and rotation make them look so real. The team also take good care of every detail. Kaohsiung tried to build a lantern festival which break through the tradition. They did it! We are proud of Kaohsiung.